Hello and welcome to the Easy Text English podcast. My name is Anna. I am so happy you are here to learn English with me. Today, we will learn something very important. We will learn how to introduce yourself. It is easy, so don't worry. Let's begin. First, we say hello. You can say hello or hi. Both are good. After you say hello, you say your name. You can say, my name is, and then your name. For example, my name is Anna. Or you can say, I am Anna. This is also good. After you give your name, you can ask for their name. You say, what is your name? And when you meet someone new, it is polite to say, nice to meet you. Let's review. Hello, my name is. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Very good. Excellent. You have learned the basics. But an introduction is just the start. To build a connection, you need to continue the conversation. Let's learn some common questions to ask after you introduce yourself. This will help you have a longer and more interesting conversation. First, let's talk about where you're from. This is a very common topic. You can ask, where are you from? To answer, you can say, I am from, and then your country or city. For example, I am from Japan, or I am from New York. It's a great way to know more about the person. Now, it's time to practice. Please repeat after me. I will leave a space for you to speak. Ready? Let's start. Another good topic is work or studies. You can ask, what do you do? This is a polite question about their job. You can answer, followed by your profession, like I am a doctor. If you study, you can say, I'm a student. It helps you understand their daily life. Hello. Hi. My name is Anna. Now, try with your name. My name is. I am Anna. Now, with your name, I am. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Great job! You are doing very well. Now, let's listen to a simple conversation. I will talk with my friend Ben. Hello.
Hi,
My name is Anna. What is your name?
my name is Ben. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Ben. Where are you from, Ben?
I'm from Canada. What about you, Anna?
I'm from the United States. What do you do, Ben?
I'm a graphic designer. I design logos and websites. What about you, Anna?
See? It is simple. Ben and I used the phrases we learned. Before we finish, here are 3 tips for you. Tip number 1, smile. When you introduce yourself, a smile makes you look and sound friendly. Tip number 2, speak slowly. It is okay. Speaking slow and clear is better than speaking fast. Tip number 3, practice. Practice with a friend or in front of a mirror. Practice makes perfect. Remember these tips. That is all for today. You did a wonderful job. Today, you learned how to introduce yourself in English. Remember to practice. Thank you for listening to the Easy Text English podcast. I am your host, Anna. See you next time. Goodbye.